Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Capital One credit card account. I will show you the simple step-by-step process, so make sure to follow and watch this video till the end. And before we start our video, if you haven't turned on the notification yet, then make sure to turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future updates from our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC and there search for capitalone.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you get landed to its official homepage, you will see all the facilities provided by the Capital One Bank. Now, in order to get logged into your Capital One credit card, tap on sign in button at the top right of your screen. Or you can simply type in your username and password here. If in the case you have forgotten either your username or password, you can retrieve it by tapping on this forget username or password link. And once you're done with typing in your username and password, tap on sign in button. And once you tap on sign in button, you will get logged into your Capital One account. And once you get logged into your Capital One account, you will easily get access to your credit cards. That was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your Capital One credit card account. Now if this video helped you out, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will be back soon with more videos like this.